Here is a week of keto meals. This is what I ate on my journey to lose 100 pounds. This is my lunch today. A heart-shaped hamburger. And this is my second bottle of hot sauce that I've gone through. Is gone. And mayonnaise.
I'm gonna light Mommy's socks on fire, as per her request.
I'm done, and it's all gone.
Buddy, this is hot. This will light you on fire. It's bubbling. What are you having?
Salad.
Salad?
Yep.
Mommy made you salad?
I think you did. I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Well, that's odd. Certainly I did.
Green, blue, orange.
Well, do you want some of this too, or you want to just stay with your salad?
I want some of that too.
Okay, and this is what I am eating. It is homemade chicken or turkey sausage with tomato sauce and, homemade tomato sauce and cheese. And this is what Raphael is having. He's having lasagna noodles because I thought that Hadar bought him some noodles, but he didn't. These are corn lasagna noodles, so it's gluten-free. Homemade turkey sausage, homemade sauce, and some cheese on top. So that's gonna be his lunch. And then I'm gonna take a few pieces out of here. It looks watery because it is. I'm gonna take a few pieces out of here and give to Abigail for her lunch. Okay, this was lunch. So I've got this. I believe this is pargit, which is young chicken thigh, and I don't like pargit. So I'm probably gonna put some barbecue sauce on this. Yes, it's young chicken.
And it looks to be not young chicken. It looks to be
cut up weird.
Turkey.
Oh, it's turkey?
Turkey thigh.
Female turkey thigh. Okay, bro. Oh, it's flashing real hard on me. So I'll probably put some barbecue sauce on it and give it to them, and I'll probably eat that. Okay, so here is the shirt and pants that I am into now, which I was into 2 years ago, and now I'm into again. Yay. And my breakfast this morning is coffee. A rare coffee once a week or so. Okay, I have 2 pieces of turkey, 2 pieces of romaine, mayonnaise, and hot sauce. And this is my lunch. And that's a little 4-year-old boy getting taken to bed for nap time with a bunch of tickles. Okay, I'm gonna start marinating my chicken. I'm gonna make soup again in the same pot that soup just came out of. I'm gonna make it again because we ate on this for like 3 days. Cream of cauliflower soup. I have some really nice mixed vegetables here that I'm gonna cook up. So we're gonna have, for the rest of the time Daddy is gone, we're gonna have chicken, soup, and mixed vegetables.
I don't want chicken soup, mixed vegetables. I want hamburger.
We got no hamburger. Okay, I'm working on my meal prep for this week. Eating on this all week already. Delicious. This is just broccoli stir fry with 2 pieces of this chicken. Okay, I cooked a big old piece of meat. Look at it bubbling. I'm gonna take all these leaves off of it. And hopefully this will last us for a week. Yeah, I am great. So, I just put some salt in here. Hopefully I didn't put enough because, hopefully I didn't put too much because it looks like I put... Are you looking at me? Do you think I'm talking to you? Like, who are you talking to, woman? Anyway, I ended up with half a thing of beef. So, I think he's going to be eating the rest of it. You like it?
It was good.
Oh, heck yeah. So I'm going to stir this up. We're going to have this Oh, it's mashed cauliflower. They look a little thick, so just put a little more milk in them. I think they're going to be pretty good, though. Put stevia and
One for you, one
vanilla
for me.
in them.
One
Yeah,
for you, one for
and
me.
these are his chocolate bears. They're probiotic. They're pretty good tasting, actually. Probiotic is very good for you. Mommy, please give me my vitamin. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The joy of alternative pancakes. They always look burned. They're not, though. They're good. And I have a mess because one batch didn't stick, or they stuck too well, so I had to scrape it off. Yeah, but this is good now.
Yeah.
You have to let it soak in all the juice. So you have to give it a while. So these are good. They don't sell canned cherries here, but they do sell this. They don't really sell maraschino cherries either. Oh, those are so good. Anyway, I'm gonna make some cherries on top. I'm just gonna pretty much almost boil it with a little bit of stevia. And it gets kind of thick. You can use xylitol if you want it like a jam. Just making it sort of like syrupy for our pancakes.
Peeky. Peeky.
Yeah,
Mommy, can I have one pancake,
not
please?
cooked enough, but I'm in a hurry. There.
Please, can I have a hot kid pancake?
A chad?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hot. Hot is number one.
That's right. You can have a chad pancake
I want the big one. This one.
with strawberries on top.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out last week's video and my other channels, Fully Living, Fully Cooked, and Fully Fun. Have a great day.